God bless America, land of the free. Yeah, right. Are you tired of throwing money away on your Ford Super Duty 17 and up diesel fuel filter changes? Stick around. It's way easier than what you think. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for taking the time to give us a little view here. We really appreciate it. If it's your first time here, we'll take that little bit of second to, if you wouldn't mind, would you hit that little notification button and that little subscribe button down there? It really helps us out more ways than you think of trying to figure out that crazy algorithm called YouTube. But that's enough of that. Let's get on to the point. 17 and up Ford Super Duty 6.7 diesel fuel filter changes. I think our local dealership wanted, guys, it was well over $200 something in labor, a wasted day of my life, plus all the parts. It's stupid. It is way easier than you think to change the fuel filters on these things. So let's get after it right now. All right, step one, we're underneath the truck. The fuel filter is located right in front of the fuel tank. This little yellow knobby here, turn it counterclockwise 90 degrees to drain the filter housing. While you're under here, you might as well go ahead and unplug this electrical connector because you're going to have to do it anyways. Just push the tab in, pull the plug off, just like that. All right, step number two. While the lower fuel filter is draining from step number one, we are going to hop up here underneath the hood and change the secondary fuel filter. It is located on the driver's side of the vehicle, about midway towards the back, right directly underneath the firewall, right there, almost underneath the two dipsticks, engine oil, transmission. It has 3 lines on it. From back to front, the red clips will push together and down. The blue clips, you simply put your fingers right here, pull them towards the fender, push them away. This one, very easy. Pull it straight up. There you go. All 3 clips are undone. Get the 3 lines off. We'll get the filter out. Okay, we're going to stick a rag underneath the 3 lines just to catch any extra fuel that may leak out on the top of the engine here. Just like that. All right, here we go again. The red clip, push the 2 ears together. Push the clip straight down. The line will slide off. Just like that. Number 2, the blue one, pull the 2 ears towards you, push them away. It will unclip, just like that. Pull the line off. Third clip, simply grab it, pull it straight up. The line will pull off. All right, the lines are off there. To get the filter out, we're going to turn it roughly 90 degrees towards the firewall. Boom, just like that. It will slide up out of there. Remember, it is full of fuel, so don't dump it all over the place. Just try to get it out of there. That's why we got the rag there. There it is. Get it out of there. All right, fuel filters, genuine Motorcraft. Bought them on Amazon, $71. Open the box. It comes with both the fuel filters and a new O-ring for the lower housing. All right, first thing we pull out of the box. Ford paperwork, full descriptions of everything that's in it. Lower fuel filter, Motorcraft. New O-ring for the lower. New secondary upper filter. It has the FOMOCO stamp and part numbers in the top of it. Genuine. Amazon. $71 for both of them. Free shipping. All right. Step number 3. Let's get this thing put back in. All right. To get this thing back in, reverse order. We're going to drop it down in there from the back. We're going to turn it roughly 90 degrees. Put the lines back on it. That's done. Just like that. Don't forget to take the rag out. All right, moving on. Back underneath the truck. Step 4, we're going to close our drain where it's already drained. We're now going to pull the lower filter out. There are 5 8mm bolts under here. They only torque to 7 foot-pounds. They are not tight. Simply run them out. We're going to drop the fuel filter out. One filter assembly out. All right, we got the filter assembly out. It literally tells you exactly how to remove it. It says removal, install, removal, install. So to take it off, you simply go slide it over towards the drain. Take the filter off. There you go. Now is a prime time to clean everything out of here. This one is pretty darn clean inside. Don't forget to change the O-ring also after you get it all cleaned out. Beautiful. Beautiful. New seal. Every single time. Beautiful. New filter. Motorcraft only. Remember, it literally tells you exactly how to remove it and install it. So you simply stick it back down in there. Lock it back into place. Done. All right, step 6, back underneath the truck. We have our newly cleaned assembled filter. We're gonna put it back in. The drain faces towards the inside of the truck, towards the drive shaft. Remember, those little bolts only torque to 7 foot-pounds. So you can do it the correct way with a torque wrench, or you can just not be stupid and don't bottom them out until you break them off. So let's get the thing back in there. Super simple. All right, don't forget to make sure your drain is closed and plug your wire back in for the water separator. All right, step 7, we've got all the filters back in there. We are now gonna hop up here to the truck and we are simply going to cycle the key switch about 10 times at least, guys. I know it seems like overkill, but we want to make sure absolutely 100% of the air is out of the system before we ever try to crank the truck. So we're going to do this, like I say, about 10 times, okay? Don't mind the music playing in the background. La 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 la. Stupid copyright crap. All right, guys, after at least about 10 times, don't skimp on priming the fuel system. It will lead to potential disasters that you do not want to have to deal with, especially on these CP4 trucks. You want to be sure you have 100% of the air out of the lines before you try to crank it. So, after at least about 10 times, smooth sailing. And well, there you go. Like I said, you can't get no simpler than a fuel filter change on one of these things like that. There's no reason to let the stealerships continue to rob you of your hard-earned money. that is a day wasted in my life, and probably $300 or better by the time Ford gets done with changing it, and there's absolutely no reason for it. So hopefully you find that a little bit helpful. Do it yourself, guys. Save a lot of money. There's no reason to let a dealership take your hard-earned dollars.